welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Sheena. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to other new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Wagwan, how to do, how things, how life. Everybody go up, big up on yourself, bless up, bless up, bless up. We have come to the end of another week, and yesterday, our festive Friday. For enough people today appear there. Yeah, big up to all of the people that work on it, them look up your check today. Yes, them look at dividends and so and so and so. Big up on yourself. Have all uno have no pay there, but uno man our hobby have the pay there. Yes, and a lock shop on him for the past few days. For the whole week, cause a matter of fact, could lock shop on the man and decide to uno not open up no shop. But through yesterday I Ben Johnson, they don't know say after Ben Johnson they come the pay there, and at the time uno decide so uno want open up yourself like a husband. You understand? And free up for the man take charge and take control because I don't know what's the pay there. Come big up on yourself too. Big up on yourself too. Oh no God's ambition. Oh no God's ambition. No money, no honey. No money, no honey. A joke, uno don't follow me, uno must give the man. Whether there is honey or there is no honey, uno must give the man. Worse if I no personal man, you understand? I no join together legally or no join together by God. Whether there is money or there is honey, uno fi dash it out pan the man. See, me dash it out, man. Don't mix up with the man because I'm a pay week. And then when the day before the pay week, now at that time I'm not gone pound no neck, I'm not gone pound no head. I know this I dash out a galang, so I dash out and I spread out all about the place like I know a comforter. Lord Jesus, shouldn't get to the point, not get to the point. Then self I make your sound so aggressive, you're guilty. Self, you're guilty. All right, let me get to the point. Let me get to the point now. Yes, some big up everybody, big up everybody. Some big up everybody, big up everybody. Right. So yes, on a scene at the title, on a see the thumbnail. And my dear children, you see, if at any point in time, me never believe, me never convince say the speaker of the house and I like the Lord woman there. Me prove it in a recent video where them do. She do not like a bone in a lor. Lor, me say it in my thumbnail and me I go say it in my video now. You is a fool. Lor, you're fool. You sit down pan the bone of your behind and make head speaker and pack you up with all kind of horse dead comfort and jackass maga. But no say uno done in a denial, and uno convince uno self say the lady can't bring nobody to court. First, you did say she can't come to foreign. And no final kind of excuse put out there to convince people why she can't come to foreign. Now she dey on her way to foreign. Now unwa say she can't carry nobody go to court. No, Lord, you, mama. You sit down now and you're taking all of them the same thing there. But like how you done here say, from the speaker or whomever else they behind closed door talk with you. You hear say she can't bring nobody to court. I hear you hear that, no ever fact. Right? But you no go one side, go sit down and talk to yourself and say, self, I wonder if I lie them a tell. I wonder if the woman can carry we go court for true. I wonder if everything we head speaker tell me are true. Then suppose when the woman come up, me get some man's we go quote for true. Lord Jesus, I wonder if head speaker has set me up, man. Eh? Then, Lord, go back, go sit down, lock up in your bathroom or somewhere and sit down and think to yourself, I wonder they sitting there. Being as say she can't carry nobody go to court. Go back in a little part of your mind, so go sit down and consider it out. No, this is why me say you're fool now, Lord. This is why me say you're fool now. Me understand say to have no solid education, you understand? For base power me I say not even the basics you not have. But you have people out there who are dunce, but they have wisdom. Yes, and them have some level of intelligence. Yes, them dunce, but them wise. No, Lord. You are the owner for several platforms out here that you use for slander, defame the human character, tell lies, or all kind of sinting. Remember, you know, say, are you are the face of the platform, them. Your face out there, your name out there, and me, you come out all the while and put out your address. Me don't know if a truth address or a false address or a kind of address. But the basics our need for know for you is out there. And you sit down and allow a woman when no have no face like a myself, yeah. People don't know much about her. Even though in this day and age with technology and everything, whether your face today or you know face your face today not, anything people want to know about you, then can find out with ease. And I like back in the days when pigeon and a carry letter, a pigeon or a dove and I use for deliver message. When postman a ride bicycle go deliver telegram. And all of them something the things and times are different. Everything nowadays is just at the snap of your finger, right at your fingertip. Panalica device so we have in front of we everything today. All you want are just the knowledge of how to do it. So you have this woman here part for your platform into the dark. I say all manner of things about this woman without any proof to back up where she claim. Right? You sit down there and make she manipulate you and tell you all kind of nasty story. And you believe her. Say this can't happen. That can't happen. Because according to her, she educated and she work into law firm. So I never know say as she write the law them up a foreign my love. Anybody could have work in a law firm, you know. All kind of people work in a law firm, my love. For when me just a touch out there, my dear children, I have to go take on things for me own as a little girl. Just fresh out of the park. Me did I work somewhere as a security guard and guess which part good did I work? Goody was working as a security officer into a law firm. Me did have my own desk and so me did have office. Me did have decent proper office. Like I say, I was a lawyer there. I was a lawyer's assistant. You understand me? And you know, say this security job it never really so popular like how you have all kind of security firm take over Jamaica right now. So you could never look at my uniform and tell that I was her security officer. You understand? You know, see how the security officers them dress into the banks here in Jamaica, them into them three-piece jacket and tie and pencil into trousers, something. Yes, so we used to dress up in the company which part me used to work my love when I was working into the security firm. And Goody was her security officer. You understand me? So anybody can be working into her law firm. Yes. And many times, you know, you come out here with stories without the facts. Right? In that same video, you know, when me see. I don't know, I talk up about things over there, you know. You know, say, after the speaker come off of the phone, you know, Lord, she take over the phone and she talk up a bag of things about Tajay. When listening to her, I know Tajay she's supposed to talk about. She mix up Tajay with the young man. You remember the young man when he Rajay, well, he did meet down at Mr. Perry there, so when they do Mr. Perry house. She a mix up Tajay with Rajay and not just the name alone she mix up. She mix up the person as well because she have if he say a Tajay did they don't Mr. Perry this so. And I talk up a whole heap of something about Kiara, all kind of something. So a whole heap of time them come out here without them facts. And people in the comment section are tell her, our own supporters, them are tell her, say, are the wrong somebody you talk, Laura. Laura, if the wrong somebody you're talking is not Tajay. And she would even read the comment if you see. That if you show know how them people are turn. Uno not get things right before uno take uno platform and can chastise people. All we can tell you is your head speaker not like a bone in you. Or else, you see, if she did like you, she would have encouraged you. I say, Lord, hold tight and make we see what that woman they up to. She would have tell you, say, You see, like how the time I draw near, and we finally see say she a come up in a foreign. Make we just hold tight little and make we see where she up to when she reach up here. Just hold, just sit down a little bit. I'm not afraid we afraid of her or anything, But make we just sit down and see where she up to. Instead, she a boots you up. She a boots you up and you sit down there and take boots in. She a boots you up. Mm-hmm. I boots you up like a Viagra. I boots you up like a horse tonic. I boots you up like a supplement. I again then use and boots up, my love. I boots you up like a I boots you up like a stone. I wear a thing them again. I boots you up like a when next little one name I boot you up like a Spanish fly. Spanish fly, yes. I walk in. I did remember some of them. I boot you up like a Spanish fly. I boot you up like a honey goat weed. My loves, make I get back to the point here, because I don't know how me love stray from tourists. So I don't know. Ask me how me know them. They same thing. Them. Me knows them. Me knows them. Yes, so you sit down and I take the bait. You understand? You sit down and I take the bait. Right now, you know what the jokes is and uno, you know. The jokes depend uno. And every day that's God sent, she come out here cause people call them duns or they illiterate. She cause lady D, ask a lady D can spell stomach. Lord, can you spell stomach? Hey, Lord, can you spell stomach? You know, she said the woman when she come out here cause people say them duns and they illiterate. Say she a low key this year. Eh? You don't see that? But you're fool. You know, she said the woman a style you up wicked and low key. You see that where you feel know you not know and where you feel pay attention to. You're not paying attention to the woman at this you too. Cause my loves, there is nowhere me could have for my friend, you see? Nowhere in a heaven. Could I know say me have my friend? I know say my friend don't know ear from bullfoot. My friend count words and read letters. My friend can't spell. She can't construct a proper sentence. She use word out of context. She don't know when a plural from when a singular. She don't know when to use past tense from present tense. I know say she have a platform out here and come out here across people say they dunce and they illiterate and then can't spell. And I know say me have a friend still like that. Then what kind of friend when me would have be now, my loves? What kind of friend me would have be now? Me I go come out here and cuss and class people tell them all of that and then when me come off a phone now me I go, I hope you not feel now we say me call nobody done say no me not talk you. And then me attack. She attack you, she talking you too. She's not a good friend. You understand? Because if she knows that you have a platform like this, the time we uno take we come out here can do hours alive. If I'm 15 or 20 minutes out of one of them time there, she can say, Lord, go on pan Google, go on pan YouTube and see if you can find some little things. You know, to build your vocabulary. Learn to read, learn to spell, learn to call. You know, just do some basic something. You know, just broaden your knowledge. So you can so you can at least have the basics. So when you come out here, you don't look so stupid. You understand? Use YouTube and Google to your advantage because it's easy now. Nobody now use the I am a boy book. My name is Roy. See my name here. My name is Pam. I am big. You are little. Then I use the book again. Everything they write in front of you. How baby I learn to read now with YouTube. Baby I learn to count now and then something there with YouTube. When we are grow up, we never have them something yet to for we advantage. So we have to wait until we reach in a grade 1 or grade 2 before we start read. So Lord, use 15 or 20 minutes out of your day. You understand? And if Lord no want to do it now, you as the speaker, we are good friend. Come Lord, me and you are going to do it together. I'll not go for a video call. I'll not do it together. You know, come out here, come cause people knowing say your friend are suffer from the same thing, ma. Eh? What kind of friend you be? You do not like her. You're low-key at this, sir. You know, just as style people who can read or write or spell or whatever and call them duns. You a styler too. You not rate her. You don't rate her speaker. You do not rate her. Bad to bad. Bad to bad, uno never see the lady at town. The same lady who come out and chat about Pana daily. She do all kind of interview with all kind of class and caliber people. And I never see she make a fool of herself by no interview. And I no like say she do the interview and come edit and upload. Majority of the interviews them where she do up her live. You never see she a make jackass of herself when she up there do the interview them. Eh? As done as no claim say she be, no see how she fluent when she attack. And Pika, you fi stop it. You must stop it. If I would know when you come out to attack, if the woman have any shame at all, she go sit down and fi her hand half the phone. You understand me? I feel so small. She go feel her way in herself. I never see her hear the lady at town come do no for my interview and flap. Never. So who are the real dons out here? He speak a woman to woman now. Answer me. Who is the real dons out here? And at this point right now, I'll make you feel for Lord he's no, you know her pity. He poor little thing. It's like a baby when you know her danger and heading towards it. Eh? Poor little, oh God man, oh God head speaker man, oh God man, you're not supposed, you're not to do that to the woman. You're not to do that to the woman. Head speaker, you set up the woman. I know like one baby, when you know see the baby, the pitney a drop off of the bed, and then drop bupa ground and not take him up and not do him and then you know here say angel meet him halfway and meet her halfway. No angel that go meet you halfway, you know Lord, when you reach to fear the angel you know. No angel now go meet you halfway, you right there you go tad. And me almost certain say the head speaker now go did if he catch you when you fall. But if you can't hear, you must feel. You sit down there and take all kind of something from the head speaker, woman, or whomever else they behind the screen and pack up your head with all kind of nonsense. We shall see when we shall see, Baba. Who can carry who got caught from who can carry who got caught? Hey, my loves, and I want thing, you know, my loves. Me say, if I want thing, the Lord, she come out there and talk trang ya. She talk trang ya, you see, my loves. No fear at all, bad people, bad people. I guess, you know, them feel like I say, because and say them a citizen. The law, I go have them back over there. So, I guess that's why they come out so big, bad and bold and strong, baba. All right, then, uno no stop talk, yeah. Continue on, my love. Continue, not tap talk. For me know say, if the speaker really and truly work with law firm according to where she say, she must know better. She have to know better. She must know the rights to certain things and the penalty and the consequences them and the seriousness when it comes to slander, defamation of character, a libelous statement towards another individual. So if Cynthia goes off it true, and she indeed I work with law people, you know say, every you are Laura keep up, you know that unless you want to see Laura go down, unless you want Laura to go down, you definitely want to get rid of poor little Lord. You know what? Children, stay in a school. You understand me, children? Stay in school to avoid situations like this where so-called friends who claim say them brilliant manipulate uno fi do wrong sin things and let uno down like a casket. For at one point, me did I say a pure, jealousy and enviousness. But he passed all of that. He passed all of that and gone down, gone. Way down to addiction, obsession, and yet. 5 years now, 5 years now, the one woman day in, day out, no break, no lunch, no liquor, no recess, no nothing, non-stop. So I guess feel like I say untouchable, bro. Untouchable and I head speak. I make the last them are foreign. So know what continue on me dears, continue. I wish well. I wish well may the best man win me dear children. I don't know what good baba. What good? I will see you know, Lord. I will see you. The time is winding down, Lord. I will see you, Mama. Yes. So, anyways, my dear children, we've come to the end of another video. Please remember, if you reach this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch the like button, show a girl some love, show a girl some support. Peace out. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Have a safe and a productive one. Later. Bye bye. See you all in another video.